Hello everyone, welcome back to EVS First Class. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of chapter number 19, My Delightful School, from the Civics section. Can you tell? Are there any children with such special needs in your neighborhood? Now, here, children with special needs means those children they may be blind or dumb or deaf. If suppose there is any child who is blind means who cannot see, or dumb means who cannot speak, or deaf who cannot hear, then you have to inform your teacher. Now, do they attend the school? Again, you have to find out whether such child is going to school or not. Next question. When you were in first standard, how many girls were there in your class? How many girls are there in your class now? Means you have to find out that how many girl students were there in first standard and how many girls are there now at present in your class fourth standard. Now, what we are learning? Every child should get the joy of learning in school. All children with special needs have the right to education. Many parents of children with special needs send their children to school with great determination. The government also has many schemes for them. If you know any children with special needs, do tell the teachers and parents about this. Means you have to inform your teachers and parents about this. They too will encourage the children to go to school. Education is very important. It is a must for all children. All children should get the joy of learning in school. That's why the government has also provided many facilities for the education of girls. Most parents try to make sure that the girls are educated. However, sometimes girls are expected to carry out household chores. Household chores means household work such as taking care of their siblings, means taking care of their younger brother or sister, drawing water from the well, etc., all by themselves. As a result, they lag behind in school or even leave it. Lag behind means to remain back. A girl's education should not stop for this or for any other reason because girls too have a right to the joy of learning. Girls have equal right to go to school. Try this. Find out which language your classmates speak at home with their parents. Means you have to find out what is their mother tongue. Means which language they are speaking at home. Even if we learn in a common language at school, we all speak in our mother tongue at home. The mother tongue of some students may be Gujarati. Some may speak Hindi at home, means their mother tongue may be Hindi, while others may speak Telugu or Kannada. Because of school, we get friends who speak different languages. Now, when you go to school, what do you wear? We all wear a uniform in school. However, on the days when the uniform is not compulsory, the classroom becomes colorful. Means when there is a Diwali party or a Christmas party in school, we all wear beautiful and colorful dresses. So the classroom looks very beautiful, and it is a fun to attend a class where there is a lot of diversity. Our customs, languages, and eating habits may be different, but as human beings, we are all alike. Alike means same. Means in our class, we are having friends who speak different languages, their customs are different, their eating habits are different, but then also we are all same as human beings. And when we respect this diversity and help each other, we enjoy being in school. School becomes delightful. Now, what do you see in this picture? You see that there is a school bus and two small children are crying. So, let us see what is the question. What's the solution? Pintu and Pinky have both got admission into kindergarten. Kindergarten means what? KG class. Every day when the school bus comes to take them to school, they cry and cry. How will you explain to them why they must go to school? Now, these two children are in KG classes. KG classes means pre-primary, very small. Then, how will you explain these small kids and how will you encourage them to go to school? What will you do? You can explain them that school is a very nice place. You will enjoy very much in school. Teachers will give you gifts. Teacher will also give you chocolates. You will get many new friends there. You can share your tiffins with them. You will get lot to learn. You can color, you can sing, dance. Teacher will teach you variety of songs and dance because you learn only this much in the KG class. Writing and learning work is very less, isn't it? In this way, you can encourage the small kids to go to school. And once when they are in school, they will be enjoying the school environment by themselves. Okay, children, now it's time for your homework. Your today's homework is read the lesson and write the difficult words from the lesson.